Hey everyone! Setting your layout to the correct paper size is the most important step before you even think about scaling your drawings. If your layout is set to the default 8.5 by 11, your A3 title block just isn't going to fit. Today, I'm showing you the Page Setup Manager workflow to get your sheet to a perfect ISO A3. Let's set it up. Step 1. Navigate to your Layout tab. First, look at the bottom left of your AutoCAD screen. Click on the Layout 1 or Layout 2 tab. Don't worry if it looks like a mess right now with a random viewport. We're going to fix the paper behind it first. Step 2. Open the Page Setup Manager. Now we need to tell AutoCAD what physical paper we're using. Right-click on that Layout tab at the bottom. Select Page Setup Manager from the list. In the window that pops up, make sure your layout is highlighted and click the Modify button on the right. Step 3. Choose your plotter or printer. Before you can pick A3, you need a printer that supports it. Under Printer/Plotter, click the Name dropdown. I recommend choosing AutoCAD PDF for general documentation or DWG to PDF. These virtual printers always include every standard paper size, including A3. Step 4. Select ISO A3 paper size. Now for the main event. Go to the Paper Size dropdown. Scroll until you find ISO A3 420.00 millimeters by 297.00 millimeters. Pro tip, if you want to use the full sheet without margins, look for ISO Full Bleed A3. This is perfect if you're attaching a pre-made title block that needs to hit the very edges of the paper. Step 5. Set the scale and orientation. Finally, check your plot scale. For layouts, this should always be set to 1:1 and the units should be in millimeters. This means 1 unit on your paper equals 1 millimeter in real life. Ensure your orientation is set to landscape and click OK. Then click Close. Your white background should now be a much larger rectangle, the exact size of an A3 sheet. Now that your paper's ready, you can drop in your title block and set your viewport scales with confidence. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.